If you clicked on this video, first of all, thank you. The entire reason why I'm making this video is because something very amazing happened yesterday. On August 7th, 2025, this channel and I hit 100 subscribers. And chances are you probably don't know me by now or know me yet. But there is no one, literally no one, more grateful in this world than me for the fact that I can motivate and inspire and have an audience of 100 people. Now, I could have never even dreamed about this when I first started this channel, but I've put so many hours of learning YouTube and learning how to educate, inspire, and motivate people. And those 100 subscribers, I hope many of you are watching, and the non-subscribers, you guys are literally so early to a channel that is going to continue to grow and skyrocket. Like, I can guarantee you this, we'll all be looking back at this in 2 to 3 years, looking down and smiling because I'm calling my shot way earlier than maybe I should be, but that's what I'm about and that's what I do. And I know that being authentic, being genuine, that I always have been, it's going to be the main reason why you guys believe in me, watch the content, learn from me, and just be inspired. So you being here right now, congratulations. You're very, very early to an up and coming riser in the online business, e-commerce, Amazon space in general. So like I said, guys, there's no one more grateful in this world than me. And I actually want to show you guys the 100 subscriber mark. So I'm actually at 101 now because I got an extra subscriber this morning. But yeah, like I can't say thank you enough. And the only thing I can guarantee to you guys is that you'll always get an authentic and genuine jayslarosa for literally my lifetime. And as this channel grows to 5K, 10K, 20K, 100K subscribers and more, because I know it's going to get there, I'm always going to be the same jayslarosa, same me from day one. You're always going to get an authentic me who believes and cares in every single subscriber. Because at the end of the day, like, my mission here is to entertain, educate, and inspire you guys. Because you can probably see it on my channel, but I've had a completely life-changing experience with starting an online business with Amazon FBA and e-commerce and traveling the world. And I've completely changed the direction of my life. And it's time. It's time for me to come back and inspire people, and so that people can be inspired to change their life as well and have an opportunity to do something from anywhere in the world. So this is going to be awesome to look back on for years to come. Maybe it'll even be the first clip of my future documentary. But yeah, all I have to say is thank you to whoever's watching this video, and thank you to those 100 subscribers who believed in me from day one. And I will never forget you guys. And even when we're at 100,000 or 1 million subscribers, thank you and see you soon.